Your weekly list of household chores might be as follows: dusting, sweeping, vacuuming, grocery shopping, preparing meals, washing dishes, doing laundry, and cleaning bathrooms. Household chores can be tedious and sometimes can be dirty too. Oops, by the way, your toilet gets clogged, which is a good time to test your patience and meekness. During the lifetime of Jesus Christ, his followers often argued who would be the greatest among them. On one occasion, Jesus responded to their argument. His response was completely different to the common notion of most people. According to the worldly principles, the greatest are the people who fold their hands and shout out orders. But according to the spiritual principle of Jesus Christ, the greatest are the ones who serve but not being served. When you do your household chores again, please remember it's a privilege to serve your family. Let's ponder the words of Jesus Christ. Jesus said to them, "The kings of the Gentiles lord it over them, and those who exercise authority over them call themselves benefactors. But you are not to be like that. Instead, the greatest among you should be like the youngest, and the one who rules like the one who serves. For who is greater, the one who is at the table, or the one who serves? It is not the one who is at the table, but I am among you as one who serves." Let's pose a question to God. Dear Jesus Christ, can you give me a willing heart to serve others? Let's practice what you learned. Pray for the willingness to serve others. Let's proclaim to others about your experiential knowledge. Share with a Christian friend the improvement in your attitude of serving others.